Hindi po ba natin inimbitahan si Mayor Benji Magalong?
Not for this hearing.
Pero iimbitahan po ba siya sa susunod na pagdinig?
At the future hearing,
Hindi, sa next hearing?
we have to discuss it first.
Because nandito po kanina si Congressman Abante, siya po yung nagsabi,
throw a full blanket statement na lahat yan. Hindi dapat ganun. Pati kami na mga mahuhusay, nadadamay dyan. That's the reason why I said that it is like an empty can na walang laman. That's just very noisy.
so ang tanong ko po, bakit pa po hindi imbitahan kaagad ng committee para malaman na po natin kung sino yung tinutukoy niya, Mr. Chair?
I think we have a commitment that we will invite him. But the commitment is not on the next hearing.
Kasi sa sinasabi niya, ang pinakamalaking nakukuha ay yung Committee on Appropriation. So hindi pa ba mas mabuting i-address na po natin? Kasi nandiyan po, si Congressman Abante, nadinig ko po yung interview nyo, sabi nyo po, dapat pangalanan po ni Mayor Magalong. So ayaw nyo bang mag-present ng motion na imbitahan na siya kaagad para pangalanan na rin po niya? At sinabi naman po niya na willing naman po siyang imbitahan.
Should I make the motion now?
Better, Mr. Chair, to show na talagang seryoso tayong imbitahan siya.
Palagay ko, there's no problem in making a motion. But why don't we just finish the hearing right now? We still have a lot of contractors that are waiting to be investigated.